Hello there. Mum just shit herself because she's got no pants on. Where's everyone gone? What the hell? It's my birthday. I'm about to start this vlog. Everyone's just run off. Where are you going? Okay. Who's the birthday queen? Me! Mom is so cute. It's my birthday. Do you know what? Doesn't it feel like yesterday since I last vlogged my last birthday?
Oh, don't make me cry.
It actually does. It feels like yesterday. We're back in like the same, well, not the exact same place, but we're back at the lakes for my birthday. Actually been very last minute because I thought I was initially doing something else, so we've kind of booked this last minute, which was really exciting because this actual hotel that we're staying in is called the Gilpin, and I've genuinely wanted to stay here for what feels like the longest time. Like, I don't know how I found it. I kind of found it as I was searching for like places to stay in the lakes not so long ago. Also, I need to blend out this nose contour a little bit, so love that for me. But yeah, I found it on Google, and they have the most beautiful spa lodge with this little guy. So cute. They have the most beautiful spa lodges, which we've actually booked. Mum has booked me for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
I think I'm gonna vlog like a little bit of the week as well, because obviously like I'm here tonight with family, and then I'm seeing some friends towards the end of the week and at the weekend as well. So we've got a lot of different birthday plans on the go. But it's just a dream. It's so beautiful, and it's so hot today in the UK. Like, honestly, it's kind of a little bit cloudy, which is a tiny bit annoying, but I feel like it will clear a little bit as the day goes on. But this is the view of the room, can we just say? Like, what the hell? Me and Mum are staying in this little spa lodge, and then Charlie and Dad have got a room in the main hotel. Dad's not here yet because he's at work, so he's going to join us later, and then we're going to have dinner at a restaurant. I'm really excited. We've got a hot tub, guys. Like, honestly, I need to show you around, but we're gonna get in the hot tub. We're gonna have like a really chilled day and have some drink. Charlie's basically moved into this room, and he's saying he's only gonna leave when he has to sleep. Yeah, apparently Charlie's just like living there. He's not going back to his actual room. He's just staying here now because I don't blame him. Like, it's unreal. These views though. Fine, do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
What films everyone watch?
I meant to turn the camera off, and instead you got this angle, so great. Okay, so this is the front door. So this is basically what you see when you walk in. So we've got a little coffee machine and a little mini fridge and some bits and bobs. These are wardrobes with like storage and an ironing board. And then you come through to the main bedroom, which is this right here. So they've set it out as twin beds because it's me and my mum staying here. And then the interior here is actually beautiful. Like, I love the fact that everything's really like light and white and crisp. Pretty sure each lodge might have different interior, although I'm not entirely sure, but I just think this one with like the white is absolutely stunning. So we've got a little desk, we've got the beds, as you can see there. We've got this little kitty, which this is actually the do not disturb sign at the the Gilpin, sorry, which I think is so cute. So you can pop him outside if you don't want anyone to knock on and do any like cleaning or whatever. We've got a living space. That is my case. And then, like I said, this is the view. Like, it actually looks unreal. So the main sort of like hotel and the other rooms are over there, and then like the restaurant and everything. We've got the TV, we've got the fireplace, which we're obviously not going to need today because it's absolutely roasting, but this is the main living room. So this is the bathroom. There's 2 sinks, which is really lovely, and this huge mirror. And we've got the toilet in there, which isn't too exciting. And then this is like the bath space and the steam room, which honestly, like, I just want to live here. Like, I'm actually obsessed. So we've got some robes and things for the spa because it is a spa hotel. And we've got the bath, which the size of this bath, like, I wish, I'm gonna have to get in it and show you because it's actually huge. We've got the steam room here, which is really cool. This little lounge space, and then you come outside to the patio area. We've got the hot tub, which I'm so excited to get in here in a second. I'm about to put a bikini on and get in. We've got some lounge chairs, we've got the view again, and then you come around here and you've got the sauna. Oh yeah, I'm just obsessed. How gorgeous is it? It's so beautiful. Feeling very lucky, very spoiled right now because I honestly wanted to come here for the longest time. So I'm feeling very appreciative of my family and stuff for booking this for me. Anything you want to add? Happy birthday. Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Charlie.
Ah, it's hot. Come on, we ain't got all day. We're not ready? Oh, fuck. I messed everything up.
Everything?
You scared me with the pop, so I just moved all the cameras.
Thanks for pouring. gonna hold it up. Ready? Right, pour another one then.
Say hi. I feel like we're being really quiet because everyone here is very posh except us.
I feel like being really quiet because everyone's really posh and we're not.
It's the truth, I'm sorry. So we've just got to dinner. We just basically chilled in the hot tub. We had a really nice afternoon. My dad arrived from work. Charlie's talking into the food anyway. So we're having dinner at the restaurant, which we're really excited about. Because it's actually not Michelin, Mum, it's Michelin.
Oh, well, you know what I mean.
Okay, it's a Michelin star restaurant, which none of us have ever eaten at a Michelin star restaurant before. Because we're just so posh. Right, so what are these again?
This is like an arancini, something with pesto on the bottom. Charlie's already ate it.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Okay.
These
Can I eat these seeds?
This is an aubergine cone.
Yeah, of course you can.
With I think she's.
Surely they won't put it in there if you can't eat the
No,
seeds.
no, it's like it's a goat's cheesy mousse.
Seeds,
Oh.
No, underneath there's a mousse. There's a mousse.
Anyway, this camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna have to transfer to my
it's
phone in a
not.
second.
Okay, the mousse is in the code.
Yeah, I can see that, Mum. This is why we don't take you out anywhere.
This is why I need my glasses on.
Yeah, ready? Whoa. Thank you. Charlie's stressing me out.
Why is it bad of breath?
Someone let me brush my teeth, please. No, I've not brushed my teeth, I've been really gross.
Right, so just come get in the sauna and
I
it'll melt your teeth away.
I don't want my teeth to be melted.
Well, this camera's got great stabilisation, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. This is my birthday dress that fell apart last night.
Bottomless.
Literally, like, had to hold it together the
Button
whole
pinged
dinner. It only had one button holding it together, and the button fell off. So then,
That's how you know the food was good.
basically, my tits were out all night. In a nutshell, it was great.
I've noticed you say "in a nutshell" a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In a nutshell.
You ever gone on Love Island? That's what people are going to be memeing about you. Do you think this is a really beautiful piece of abstract art, Hannah? How much do you reckon they paid for this bit of wood?
Literally just walked in and Rach and Millie have set up a little birthday celebration, so gonna blow my candles out.
I was gonna say they're actually going down.
I know they're actually gonna go down.
6, yes. The next round is more than enough.
Okay, oh my gosh, I need to like make a wish. Okay.
You do. Your bunk's really good at this, by the way. I'm doing a big round, you're going out.
Am I gonna try and get them all in one?
Just maybe bend and low.
Okay, like, okay.
You're like a little bobbing cat. But your bum looks really good.
But I actually look half asleep because I am. Okay, so we're currently at Moose. Just got eggs, also got a side of avocado coming. We've got a vanilla coffee, a vanilla latte, and an orange juice. Literally the same meal.
It's me. And we're about to get fucked up.
Listen, look how delightful this girl. Delightful. Delightful. Shut your face. Listen, what time is it? You got your phone? 11 o'clock. This is the best birthday I have ever in my life had. Dom over here documenting the whole thing, taking like 10 out of 10 photos. We love you, Dom! I love you,
Who's calling me? Matty, or you?
Hello.
Hi babe, you okay?
You're gonna regret this in the morning. Mads, I can't fucking see! I just literally
Come on, man. We're next to like
next to Ardale. We've not played that yet.
Huh?
Maybe that needs to happen.
What?
22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. What's happening? Do you want to sit down? Yeah, okay. Everyone was worried that I was too drunk to get into the club, but I'm absolutely fine now.
She wanted it.
I've sobered up. I have. Go on.
Oh my god, look at that bumper. Like my chain, shake that ass, it's insane.
Oh, she knows.
Hi.
Rachel.
I'm just resting my eyes.
Did you have fun last night?
I don't understand. Whoever took my voice, just give it back now. It's not funny. I just want it back.
That meme of that guy, like, I just want him back.
I love you. Oh.